Hello everybody, welcome back.
Yes, hello everyone, and haven't seen me for a while, but I'm back now.
It's been a long while, so today we are going to talk about our experience at the Arnold Classic UK.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Zita, a fitness and nutrition coach, and with my partner Terry, a neuropsychology and body image coach, we help men and women over 40 to escape diet prison and build strong, lean bodies through science-based training, nutrition, and behavior change, all without extremes. So hit that like button and subscribe for weekly videos on fat loss, muscle building, and training smarter after 40. So it was fantastic.
Great couple of days, well organized, and Arnie's team were brilliant. They everything was well put together, well organized, and there was a great vibe in the whole NEC as well in Birmingham.
Yeah, it was really good. It was massive. There were so many exhibitors, like supplement companies and gym equipment. There was the Panata.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we hung out every day.
Yeah, we had a workout in the Panata gym equipment. Yeah.
Yeah, we tried all their equipments. They were really good, very amazing. So maybe let's cover the bodybuilding shows that we watched. So we watched all the bodybuilding shows, and I always wanted to see the fitness, because I think coming from like a yoga background, this is something that I found just amazing, like what people can do with their bodies. And it was so nice to see that. All the what's the word? Routines. All the routines were amazing, outstanding. But I think before we go any further, for those of you who are not really familiar with the Arnold Classic, if you want to be an athlete at this show, you have to be invited to the show. So not anybody can just go and compete. You have to submit an application, and then the Arnold's team look at all the applications, and then if you are accepted, you get the invitation. So it's a very prestigious show. So shout out to all the athletes who competed, because it's a privilege to be there. And of course, every athlete was absolutely amazing, and congratulations to all of them.
Absolutely. And a big shout out to Savannah. We met her parents as well, and they were lovely people from Utah.
Yes.
And great people. So when they come to Ireland, we'll be showing them around. Yeah.
Definitely. It was so nice to meet them. So guys, if you're watching this, Tori and Glenn, hi.
And Savannah, hello.
Hi, Savannah. Yes, it was lovely to meet you. And of course, it was lovely to meet all the other competitors. We can put up a couple of pictures here. We met Phoebe Hagen, we met Ashlyn Little,
and a few other ones.
And a few other athletes. So going back to the fitness, how did you find that? Did you find the routines?
The fitness routines were very good. They're very, very dynamic, and you need to be a gymnast to do most of them, I would have thought. But it was great. It was the first time I looked at the fitness bodybuilding, but it was really good. It was a routine that they had to go through, and it's like tying a body in knots and unraveling it again.
Yes, something like that.
But it was great. It was great to see, and all of the competitors did really well at that too.
Yeah, everybody.
And it was very hard to distinguish who would be the winner. I don't know what the criteria is, but I would say it was fairly tight. You know, the boundaries between each of the contestants was quite narrow, I think, because they were all quite good.
Yeah, they were really, really good. To be honest, like I'm not really following, this category. I'm not 100% sure about their criteria. Of course, like with any other bodybuilding criteria, there are certain poses that you have to hit, and then there are certain physique criteria that you have to hit. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure about the fitness ones, but they were amazing. And to me, Anna, who came second, she's from Russia. Her routine to me was just outstanding. Everybody else's routines was outstanding, but I don't know. To me, she was just like, wow, it was just crazy the things that she did. I don't know if the recordings are available online. I'm not 100% sure. If they are, we can link it in the description so you guys can watch it. Ladies over 40, we have a free training on how to lose menopausal belly fat and rocking a bikini after 40. So hit the link in the description below and watch it now.
To be quite honest, like, that was very reasonable, the prices as well. It wasn't extortionate, which is very good.
Yeah.
And the vibe was brilliant as well. Through the whole 3 days, it was great. It really was.
Definitely. So it's highly recommended. We decided already that we are going next year. We'll be back, just like Arnold said.
Yes.
Because before it was every second year, but we attended Arnold's seminar as well, and then it was great to hear, actually.
Absolutely. And Arnold was, from the age of 11, he had a goal. He wanted to be a bodybuilder, and then he wanted to be a film star. And everybody says, no, you can't do that, or you can't do this. So he did it. So his philosophy is have a goal, work extremely hard, and never listen to the naysayers. So that's a lesson for today, I think, from this video, is have a goal, work hard, and always believe in yourself and never doubt yourself, and never listen to negative people who can say, oh, you'll never do that, or you'll never achieve this or that. So that's his philosophy. And he went on to talk about his film, The Twins, where it was a comedy, and he made the film, obviously, he's in it, and him and Danny DeVito, but he wasn't going to be paid because the producer said it's a comedy and it's not an action film.
So they're taking a risk.
So they're taking a risk, so they're not paying him. So he says, that's all right, don't pay me. Give me a percentage of the film. He got the highest he got the highest payout for that film. Not his action films, but from the Twins film, he got around 38 million for that personally. Yeah.
So it was a good deal for him.
Yeah, absolutely.
He's very smart, I think, and then just really admirable, you know. Just like Terry said, like he never listened to anybody who told him, no, you can't do this because of your accent or because of, you know, whatever, this is crazy. He didn't care. He just kept going.
Yeah, and when people say you can't act, he went to acting classes. When people say you can't speak, he went to elocution lessons. And so he just kept going and going and going and going, and he finally got there.
Yeah, so it was really, really, really great to hear his stories.
There was a joke about the knife.
Oh yeah.
Where he says, I'll kill you with this knife. And the director says, what the fuck? Stop. And he says, what? He says, a silent K. So he says, so the next line, he said, I will ill you with my knife. And the director says, what? He says, you told me not to pronounce the K. So it was a good fun seminar as well.
Yeah.
And so it's brilliant to see the insight, and he's a very down to earth person as well. And he's all into inclusivity and equality. And that was demonstrated at the show as well, because there was a wheelchair category, bodybuilding for bodybuilders who are paraplegic, you know, and so he puts his money where his mouth is, you know, and yeah, it was a brilliant 3 days, and it was well worth it.
Yes, it was amazing, and he's very inspiring.
Yeah.
And yeah, he's the boss.
Absolutely.
For sure. So regarding the other bodybuilding shows, we also watched the men's bodybuilding shows. There are different categories: men's physique, open, and then I think the men's classic physique, if I'm right. Again, to be honest, I don't really follow these categories. I'm all into bikini, so I only know about the bikini category. But it was fantastic to watch all the men and then also listen to their stories. Because whoever was the winner, there was always like a little interview with them. And then to hear, you know, like how long they've been working for this specific win it was just very emotional. Even sometimes I was nearly crying. I was like, wow, this is just amazing win for the person.
The amount of effort and the amount of sacrifice that they went through to get there is unbelievable. And you know, there's no shortcuts in this life.
Yeah.
You have to work for everything that you get, and that's another lesson as well.
Yeah.
That came through from the event, you know, and they're all very inspiring.
Yes.
So we also had photo opportunities as well. We had Mitchell Hooper. Hi, Mitch.
Yes, hi.
You're watching. He was the strongest man in 2023, and we had a photo opportunity with him, and he was very interested in our program, Synaptic Fit Fusion Pros, rejuvenation and transformation program. So he was talking away about that and the psychology behind that, because he's on the a lot of that himself. So he was very interested in that, and we had another opportunity with two giants of Mr. Olympia, 7-time winners,
And 8.
and 8, 7 and 8 respectively, Phil Heath and Lee Haney.
Yes.
So we'll be flashing a picture up of them as well.
Yes, it was great to see them. This is just so, what is the word that I'm looking for? When you're...
I don't know, I need to be a mind reader when I talk to you.
I know.
What's the word you're looking for? Just a big game called Give Me a Clue on the UK TV. And this is what I play every day.
There's no clue.
There's actually no clue.
You know the thing?
Yes. So, what are you talking about?
When you meet people like this, and then you become very like, oh yeah, I want to do that too.
Yeah. Motivated?
No.
Inspired?
Inspire?
Must be one of those two.
Something like that.
Okay.
There's another word for it, but I just can't find it. It's lost.
Yes, I don't think it exists, does it?
Anyway, it was fantastic. Yeah, very motivating. I even PR'd on some of my exercises in the gym the next couple of days after the show, because it was just, it's just so inspiring to see these successful people, and then to know the stories behind their success and their hard work, discipline, and then just, you never listen to yes, there are going to be a lot of negative noise when you're getting to that stage, and then you just have to learn to deal with it, shut it out in a way that it just doesn't affect you. You don't listen to them. You just keep going and then following your...
So you're talking about the naysayers?
I'm talking
negative
about
noise?
Yeah. Not only that, not only just oh, you can't do it, but when you get like negative results, like, oh, like, ooh, you don't look good, or whatever negative comments people get.
You just punch them?
Says the kickboxer.
That brings us a segue into the next, where there was a kickboxing, WKOs. Kickboxing association were there as well. It was great couple of days of kickboxing. A lot of good kickboxers there, and fair play to them, and shout out to them as well. So I love the kickboxing, as you may or may not know. But great event there too, and very exciting.
Yeah, I loved it too. I love watching it. Like, if you guys don't know, when I was in my teens, I used to do karate. So, and I always
European champion.
Yay! And I always loved watching boxing. I always loved that. So it was really good to see the kick. There was some boxing as well, I think.
There was some boxing. Yeah, there was some boxing.
Some boxer, but there were.
For those who don't know, karate and kickboxing are very similar. Kickboxing was developed from a lot of karate moves. So that's the reference to the karate. Yeah. Chew.
Yes. So it was really good. So I think there's a little bit of everything to those who are interested in the sport, interested in health and fitness, and
there's something for everyone, I think, that's in that area of, you know, if you're bodybuilding, kickboxing, you know, gym enthusiast, whatever, you know, there's something there for each of you, you know. So,
yeah.
absolutely. It's a great, these types of events are great for inspiration, are great for, you know, I suppose motivating as well, and helping, you know, to see that, you know, there is other areas out there in the fitness side of things that you can maybe strive for.
Yeah, definitely. And also there's a lot of opportunities photo opportunities to meet your idols, you know, or someone that you've been looking for. For example, Sam Sulek, he was there, and his following is crazy. Like, so many young people, I think especially maybe young guys, are so motivated by him and then his achievements.
Mm-hmm. And he's another guy who's very down to earth as well. He's a very nice fellow.
Yeah, and then they were also doing some interviews with these people, famous people, we can say famous people.
Mm-hmm.
Some of these famous people, they were on stage. There was some like a panel. Sometimes they were
discussion panel,
like a discussion panel, and then they were talking about their journey basically. And that was so nice again to listen to those stories.
And of course, Jay Cutter and Ronnie Coleman were there as well.
Oh yeah.
And which was great, isn't it?
Yeah, that was fantastic. It was also really, really good to listen to them. And yeah, so I loved it.
It was a great couple of days.
Yes, I loved it so much. And yeah, I'm definitely going next year for sure.
Yeah. So thank you for listening. That was our summation of 3 days of Arnold Sports UK and Arnold, the Arnolds.
Yeah, the Arnold. So fantastic experience. Loved it. And like Arnold said,
hasta la vista, babies.
Babies. And I'll be back.